This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tony Miller. Dream home in Great Northwest location with large, lushly landscaped lot. The main home features an open floor plan with travertine, wood and luxury vinyl flooring. The updated kitchen includes stone surfaces, newer appliances and a spacious alcove for extra space. Built-ins add to the functionality of the living/dining area. The entire living area offers views to the screened lanai and pool. A pool house with bath, kitchenette and Murphy bed also overlooks the pool and is perfect for guests, a young adult still at home, or even a rental unit. Spacious primary bedroom boasts a luxury bath, twin sinks and a private room excellent as a study or an expansive walk-in closet. One of the other bedrooms includes a small kitchenette, ensuite bath and private entrance. Two other bedrooms share a hall bath. Located near popular shopping and eating establishments and convenient to UF and Santa Fe campuses. New roof in place April 25 with both HVAC units replaced since 2023. See floor plan in photos. Don't miss the large extra 500 square feet building with 15 ceiling. Plan to see this one soon. For more information, review the details below.